What's up? It's Elaine. Welcome back to my channel. I know I look terrifying right now, but welcome. If you're new here, you're welcome here as well. And if you want to be a part of my family, go ahead and subscribe. And if you want to be part of my life, go ahead and follow me on my socials. But as you guys see in the intro, I did the do's and the don'ts that I personally used to do back in the days. And I learned a lot. So here I am sharing this with you so that you don't make the same mistakes. Yeah, you're welcome. But also I got some new products from YesStyle as well. So I'm gonna try to use them in this video so that you guys can see them. Alright, let's get started. I know I look so blank, but we're gonna start with our brows first. I'm going to first brush the one that I say do, not on the don't side. So as you see, this one is way more organized and this one is like, I feel like eyebrow trends come and goes. But right now, I just like to make them as natural as possible. I'm just kind of like filling in the bald spots, blend that out. And now I'm gonna use the same product on my don't side. And what we don't want to do is too much of harsh eyebrows, but it also depends on how strong your makeup is going to be for that day. But something I really want to tell you to avoid is having the bam, bam. This is what I call overpowering your whole face, overpowering your whole makeup. You can only see my brows. It's literally bigger and thicker than my eyes, so I do not recommend that. It's gonna make your eyes look even smaller for us monolids. And for eyebrows, it's so much prettier when the top arch kind of rounds. It literally arches down, but this one is like tuk, tuk. And you also have to blend out your eyebrows after, and this one I did not blend. Next, I'm going to move on to cheeks and lips. So honestly, cheeks is really easygoing. There's not too many ways where you could go bad with it because even if it's harsh, as long as the makeup is balancing, like it'll be fine. But when it comes to lip and cheek, this is when it gets a little too colorful. So you gotta be mindful of what colors you're choosing for each lip and cheek. For my do side, I'm gonna try my new blush. I used to only use this blueberry chip, but it's been a while. Very pretty, very cool tone, which is me. And here at the do side, it's very chill, very soft, well blended. It is my personal color, so it goes well along. The placement really doesn't matter. But for the don't side, I'm gonna go the opposite of my personal color. I'm not going to blend it well, and I'm gonna put it on the placement that does not look good for me, which is gonna be this color. It's very warm tone, kind of like peach pinky. I would never put blush all the way down here because all the focus is gonna go on my lower side, which is gonna make my face even longer, which I don't like. Put it right here in the middle. Wow, this color is so popping though, like wow. Very pigmented. My number one rule for blush in general is to never go under my nose area, but this one definitely did. Anyways, let's move on to the lips now. For the do side, I am gonna choose a color that is very similar to the blush color that complements each other, which is gonna be these two. I'm gonna put this one all over as a base, and this one right here, which could give me a little bit of more pop of color. And also this new lip liner that I got. Oh my gosh, it comes with the sharpener. This is the best thing ever. For this one, I'm just gonna overdraw a little bit. Now I'm gonna kind of blend this out. I don't like too much of a harsh line. And go ahead with my lip. And that is how the do side is looking so far. Now let's go on into the lips right here. So the worst thing, absolutely the worst thing that you could do right here is to choose a color that really does not match this. This is orangey peachy, right? If I do purple lips, oh dear. We're gonna do the purple lips. Honestly, if I did this here, it would have gone very well. But if I do this here, it's really contrasting, like oh heck no. And I'm gonna draw a full lip with this one. Okay, I got the purple gloss on now, but it doesn't look too purple on the camera for some reason, but it is very purple. And now we're gonna move on to shading. I look freaking hilarious. Okay, anyways, I got a contour stick from ColorGram, so let's go ahead and try that. It's so cute! There's like a little brush with it. Ooh, I hope the color matches me, but I did get the cool. For the do side, I only did the top bridge right here, and then the tip of my nose, tip right here, and I made a little bridge right there as well. But for the don't side, what you really want to avoid is doing this. Now let's go ahead and blend this. Oh my gosh, I love the brush. Honestly, this makes my nose look really good. Like it looks so tall, it looks very straight and very thin whatsoever. But the con about this is that my nose actually looks so long and it's very unnatural when you look at it from the side. When in this side, it looks way more natural. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the eyeshadow. And for the shadow, I'm gonna use this one that I got from YesStyle. Look, it's so cute! And this again, I'm gonna use the same exact colors, just different placement and different blending skills. First of all, I'm gonna put in a transition color right here, just all over my eyelid, just to make a shadow and to make it more natural when I'm putting more layers on. As a second layer, I'm gonna put this color right here, but a little bit lower, closer to my eyelid. Monolid, hooded eyes, it's all about layering it down. And now with this color, we're gonna go even thinner. Just like that, kind of blend it in with our second coat. And of course, I need the help of my black. I'm gonna mix these two because black is a little too much. Put it in my outer corner right there to give that transition color and it give my eye a little bit more of a deeper look. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the don't side. What we don't wanna do is put a light color on the top. With a transition color, it's going to pop out even more. But no, that's not the worst thing that I could do. The worst thing I could do here is put on really light glitter without any other eyeshadow. Like that. Now I'm emphasizing my eye fat even more. It's making my eyes look even smaller. And now I'm gonna go with the same color right here. Very harshly, not too blended. And now I'm gonna go with the black and do the outer part. But the worst thing I could do here is to bring it upward. And that is the don't side. Very harsh, not blended. Placement, no transition colors. And if you see naturally, my eyes are pretty like upward like this. But this one is emphasizing that even more. So my face looks so much longer on this side because my eyes are ending here on this side when my eyes are ending here on this side. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. So now the face balance is like this, while the face balance here is like this. Now we're gonna move on to the bottom of our eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and draw some Eggo Star on this side with the new Colorgram Eggo Star Maker. I'm gonna go ahead and squint so that my regular Eggo Star shape comes out. And now with the other side of the pen, I'm gonna highlight the area. Eggo Star is very popular in Korean and other like foreign people might not be for it. But if you are for it, try not to be too selfish with it because it could look very unnatural if you overdraw them. A mistake that many people do is putting black eyeliner in the under eye. Let me go ahead. Boom. Yes, this is a very common mistake. Not only does this make your eyes look even smaller, but now this is emphasizing the going upness even more. It's really limiting my eye size. And now this face looks even longer. When on this side, my eye ends over here. This side, my eye ends over here. But don't get me wrong, there's so many ways where the under eyeliner look could go really pretty. But when it's just done on its own, like one black eyeliner, but it doesn't complement the eyes, especially for monolid eyes. But if you're like, Elaine, I really want a dark eyeliner in the bottom, let me go ahead and show you on how you could make that. So I'm gonna grab this one right there and go ahead, I'm gonna line that out. And then when it reaches the lowest point, I'm just gonna bring it outward. And just like that, same thing, but different color, different product. Now moving on with the eyeliner, I'm just gonna do my daily, where the front is very thin because a common mistake for monolids is to have a really thick eyeliner, but we don't want that because when we close our eyes, it's very visible. Like you think nobody can see, but it's because we don't see when we blink our eyes. But everybody else can see how thick the eyeliner is. See where it's visible right there? Boom, I marked it down. Now I like my wings. Just like that. But one of the biggest mistake is to draw with a pencil eyeliner because the smudging is real. Here I'm gonna go with it really thick. My eyeliner is literally like 1 centimeter thick. And then another mistake is to do it all the way here to the edge of the eye. I never connect it to the edge of my eye because when I open my eyes, my eyeliner doesn't connect. Okay, now you'll see what I mean. Like when I draw my eyeliner all the way to the edge, when I open my eyes, the eyeliner is not connected to my eye anymore. Then this side is looking rough. Okay, now moving on to eyelashes, I feel like a lot of monolids don't do anything like curl their lashes or do mascara because it doesn't show anyways. So a lot of people think like falsies is the only way, but honestly, at least do the falsies. Because for monolids, like falsies is gonna do such a big difference in your eyes. So this side, I'm not gonna do eyelashes, but this side, I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes and put mascara, okay? Okay, now I'm back with the bottom lashes and the top lashes done. I feel like a lot of people don't really do bottom lashes, but guys, I used to not do it because I just don't have any. But that's more of a reason why you should do it, because you don't have any. Yeah, guys, that is it. This side is the do side. This side is the don't side. It's already smudging like crazy on the bottom. I feel like nobody would go this intense. I just put all the don'ts here. That's why it looks like this. So if you guys are young and you guys are like very new to makeup, yeah, please don't do what I did. I just want to tell you that there's so many other ways that you could approach makeup. And just a reminder that I use exactly the same products on both sides, except for the lips and the cheeks. So yeah, these two are literally made out of the same products. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. And I'll see you guys next time.